How to use AI image generator on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can use AI image generator feature on Canva. To get started, open the Canva application on your mobile device and on the home page at the center bottom of the screen, click on the plus icon. Now click on custom size and choose the size you want for your design. This will create a blank canvas for your image creation. Next, click on the plus icon and select element. Scroll down and find AI image generator option. You can use any of the suggested image by clicking on image given below. Or if you want to create your own image, then click on this plus button. Describe your image here and click on generate. After a while, the AI will generate your image. If you are satisfied with the generated image, you can download it to your device by clicking on the download option at the top of the screen. And that's it. You have successfully used AI image generator on Canva. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.